What I'm trying to do is take something that is basically inanimate. It's not a person, it doesn't have character lines, it doesn't have crow's feet, it doesn't have tears and crazy hair. It's a beer. How do I make that something that has emotion? I look at beverage photography, I look at what people present to me and ask questions about, say, hey, what am I doing wrong? Well, you're forgetting the details. Beer is not just one object, it's a whole bunch of little components that need to be treated and brought into their best light. That's what we do as photographers. We put things in their best light. You're gonna see how to work with just a simple glass of beer and make that look heroic. We're gonna escalate that into a bottle. What's important about the bottle? The branding, the labeling, the glow, the refreshment cues. And then we're gonna get to the bigger stuff. One, I perfect the parts. I look at all the little components of it and I make them as best as they can be. And I build a story around it. I understand the brand. I bring my sensibilities of who I am as a photographer, who I am as an artist, and the things that influence me. I love to talk, to teach, to share, to let you know what I've had the opportunity to learn from so many great photographers before me, so many people who have shared their knowledge. So, I'm gonna give you a set of tools. Now go make yourself different. Set yourself apart. Create images that you feel are you.